Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss a new topic, which is force on a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field. As we know from our previous video that we know this thing that a current carrying conductor can produce a magnetic field. Okay, as we already discussed by Oersted experiment that current carrying conductor produce magnetic field, but Ampere suggests one another thing. Okay, French scientist Henri Marie Ampere, you know this name. The SI unit of electric current is also ampere. Okay, and the unit of current ampere is just because of this physicist whose name is Marie Ampere. He suggests that when in a wire there is a current, and if we put that wire in the presence of magnetic field, then that wire also produces a force. ठीक है, we can explain this by this activity. As you can see from this diagram, you can see here this is a U-shaped magnet. Okay, and you can see here this is a battery and this is a key and this is a connecting wire. Okay, and at first what we have to do is that we will do one thing. When we will switch on the key, then electric current will produce. Electric current will always move from positive terminal to negative terminal. As we know this thing that current will always move from positive terminal to negative terminal. And this is a rod which is AB. This is a conductor also, and we are placing this conductor in between U-shaped magnet. Okay, when current is flowing through this terminal to this terminal, then this Ampere has found that rod moves from its place. It proves that when a current carrying conductor placed in the presence of magnetic field, it experiences a force, and this force is depend upon the amount of electric current, length of the wire, and the magnetic field produced by this bar magnet. Okay, so this is an activity you can see from here. And for finding the direction of the force, we have a very important law which is called Fleming's left hand rule. You can see this is a hand of Fleming, you can say, or your hand. It should be left hand. Okay, then thumb always shows the direction of force or motion, and this finger shows the magnetic field, and this finger shows electric current. You can remember it in a very shortcut method. You have to learn only FBI. This is shortcut to learn Fleming's left hand rule. F for force, B for magnetic field, and I for electric current. As we know that we always denote force by F and magnetic field by B and electric current by I. You have to remember only one thing, FBI. As we know that FBI is also American agency, है ना, as like RAW in India. So you can remember this thing, FBI, F for force, B for magnetic field, and I for electric current. Okay, what we have to do? We have to do only one thing, that we will use our left hand, and in left hand this finger will show magnetic field, this finger will show electric current, then the direction of the thumb will always show the motion of the conductor, or we can say this thumb will show the direction of the motion of the wire. Okay, this is very important thing. We will learn this thing in another video also.